So in this video I'm going to talk about keywords, and about keywords in KDP I have talked about a lot in the past. I have explained two methods in the past on my channel. If you go around and you will see that the first one was the manual method that you can use, and the second method that I taught you guys was to use of helium 10, how I use it, how I use both of the platforms like the Cerebro and the second one. So yeah, now this video is all about the third method that you can use to find the KDP keywords which brings more and more sales. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey here, and if you're here for the very first time, thank you so much for visiting my channel. If you are new to the KDP, please go ahead and watch the video in the playlist in the English version and in the Hindi version if you are comfortable with it. So it is going to give you everything from scratch. And if you're already supporting my channel, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And I'm I'm 895 subscribers, so I'm very thankful for that, guys. So yeah, the two methods that I'm going to talk about to find the keywords is, the first method that I'm talk about is keywordtool.io. Okay, now you might be thinking, okay Priyanka, I get it, but is it free? Because I am new to the KDP and I do not have money to invest, and I completely understand that, right? If you have no money to invest into the pro version, that's fine. I have taken the free version over here, so you do not need to worry about anything. What you have to do is, here you can see there are a lot of social media platforms, that is Google, YouTube, Bing, and so on. What we have to find? We have to find Amazon, right? So here it is Amazon. And then what we have to find, we have to change it into United States, because the marketplace that we are targeting here is United States, right? So that's why I have chosen United States. If your main market is something else, you can choose that. If your market is UK, you can choose that, okay? But right now I'm just taking United States. Okay, so let's suppose there is a keyword that you want to check, like what's the niche, how it is performing, and so on. So I'm taking a general word, that is, let's see, you want to make dog coloring book. I know it is a broad niche, but I want to check the keywords. Okay, let's get into this. And after hitting the enter button, we can see that it is providing us a lot of suggestions over here. If you want to filter the results, you can do that as well. So I do not want to do this, so that's why I have just left it blank. Similarly, if you want to go for like negative keywords, you can do that as well, but I do not want that. Negative keywords is something which remove unwanted keywords. For example, if you are looking for keywords related to a fruit called apple, the negative keywords such as iPhone, iPad, and Mac will help you filter out unwanted terms such as Apple iPhone 6 Plus, Apple iPad, and Apple Mac Pro, which are not relevant to the topic of your research. So this is the meaning of negative keywords. So if you want to use it, you can use it. Similarly, you can see here that there is a lot about preparations as well. So we will talk about this as well, but let's go into the keyword suggestions and let's see what it is giving us. So you can see here it is a free version. If you want to get more and more keywords, then you have to subscribe, and after subscription it comes with like $10 or something. I'm not sure about it. So yeah, you can check it by yourself. Just let not waste time. So okay, let's get into this and let's see what there is for us. For example, we can see there are a lot of keywords, but the search volume, trend, CPC, competition is this all are logged. So you might be thinking, okay Priyanka, I get it, but how do I know that if it is a profitable keyword or not, right? So in that case, what I will do is I will make use of manual things. Now how? What? Like, I will select one keyword, I will simply copy it, then I will go into amazon.com, and then I will simply paste it. Okay, once I paste it, you can see I got 310 results for all about dogs coloring and activity book for kids. Now how do I know that if this keyword is profitable or not? If you have watched my manual keyword process that I had discussed, then you will get to know. But again, I'm just explaining in a bit. If a keyword or a niche that you are typing here, and if you search it, and if the competition is less than 1,000, then it is a great keyword. This is the first criteria, that the search result should be less than 1,000. Okay, and the second criteria is three book or more should be less than or equal to the BSR of 300,000, right? So now we can see that we have achieved our first criteria, that is the search result is less than 1,000, obviously. Now let's go and let's check that if we get like less than BSR 300,000. So the first one is, it is much more than 300,000, so obviously it is not going to be considered. It is sponsored, and you will not consider sponsored books because people are paying money to get ranking, okay? And all we are doing is organic. So let's move forward. We got one that is I love dogs activity book, and it has rank of 63996. But our main keyword was coloring and activity book, so obviously you can consider it because it comes into activity book niche. So sorry, not that, this one activity niche, so yeah, you can consider it. So you got one book. Let's get into like second book. It is anger management, obviously it is not in our niche. Football, it is not in our niche. What next? Let's see. We got our second one because it is the coloring book, as we can see here, children's coloring books, and it has ranking of 166770. That means it has BSR less than or equal to 300,000. So second book is already there. Let's see, let's hunt for our third book, and let's see. It is also, I will say, applicable because it is a sticker activity book, but obviously our niche includes activity, so you can consider it if you want. So I can say from this research that it is a very profitable keyword, and you can obviously go ahead and you can make use of it. Okay, so now you got one keyword that is profitable from keywordtool.io. This is the tool, that is the link. Okay, keywordtool.io. Similarly, what you will do is you will choose another keyword from here, and then you can go ahead and you can search it. For example, this one, let's see like what it brings out. Okay, it is 963, so the first criteria is fulfilled. Now let's hunt for three books less than or equal to 300,000 of BSR. That is the ranking, so let's go and let's hunt for it. Okay, these ranks are loading, so yes, let's wait for a minute because this is into our niche. Okay, it's 326 685. No, cute dogs coloring books. This is the one that you can consider, and it is selling really very well. That is 5179. That is, it is selling really well. It is also can be considered like dogs and puppies coloring book. It is 68380. You can consider this as well. Okay, now next we got two. Now the third one is here. We got all the three books less than equal to 300,000 of ranking, so obviously the fourth one is here. So I can say that it is also a great keyword that you can use. Similarly, you can go ahead and you can play around with yourself. Similarly, these are the prepositions. Similarly, you can go to the keyword suggestions, and you can choose everything from here, and you can similarly go ahead and do the work. So these are the things that I do. I check manually because obviously this is a free tool, and I have not been subscribed to Pro, so that's why it is not going to get me the results here. So I have to check it manually, and this is how I do it, right? You can do that as well. So this was the first method. Now what is the second method? Second method that I want to show is the second tool, that is called Amazon ASIN. Okay, Amazon ASIN lookup. So what we do is, it is a free tool, we do not pay anything for that. And what we do is we similarly paste our ASNI of our book or of our competitor or of any other book that we want to make of. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's pick one. I would say ASIN number. So here I can see it is a cute dog. ASI number, where it is, here this one. Let's see how much ranking it has. 6, no. Okay, this one looks good. Let's see, I want to know the keywords of this book because its ranking is really good. And obviously you want to get the keywords of those books which are doing good. You do not want to make use of this book keywords because obviously its ranking is not so good. It is like okay type, but it's not so good. So what I did is I copied the ASIN number of this book because it is selling well. I will go ahead and I will paste the ASIN number here. Once I do it, you will get to see that it will show you product overview and it will show you FBA fees, and these are not what we are looking for. We are looking for keywords, so let's go straight into that. You will just scroll down and then you will get to see main keywords, obviously. Okay, so these are the keywords that you can copy and you can use in your keyword 7 KDP boxes and in your title, in the subtitle, and etc. So what I will do is I will simply go ahead, and once I have copied that keyword, I will go ahead and I will paste it over here. Puppies coloring book for kids, and it is 1000. It means it is fulfilling our first criteria, and you can go ahead and you can check the second criteria of 3 books less than or equal to 300,000 of BSR. Okay, BSR means ranking. So similarly, you will go ahead and you will do the research. I think I helped you a lot. If I did, please let me know in the comment section below, because this is the two tools that you can start using for free, and I think it is giving great results. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section below. And if you really like my channel, if you really like what I teach on this channel, please support my channel, share it with your friends, uh, just spread the word that what I'm doing on this YouTube. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.